This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Victoria McLaughlin. Looking for a large move-in ready home with plenty of room for everyone? This is the listing you've been waiting for. A new 3-dimensional shingle roof was installed in August of 2018, and the new HVAC 2021. Come home to this spacious and bright 4-bedroom/2.5 bath home. Walking up to the home, you'll notice the landscaping and recently painted exterior. Entering into the foyer, the soaring staircase greets you. The formal dining room is just off the kitchen for easy access during holiday meals, a large kitchen with a center island and 2 walk-in pantries for plenty of storage. The quaint breakfast nook overlooks the wooded backyard. Arched doorways, pass-throughs, and crown molding give the home some architectural design. Cozy family room for some relaxing. Bonus den area with endless possibilities. Half bath downstairs for convenience. All bedrooms are on the second floor. 3 guest bedrooms have plenty of space. This property is ample office space that could be used as a guest bedroom. The spacious master bedroom suite has 2 walk-in closets and an attached bath. The master bath has a sunken tub and a separate shower. It is hard to match the combination of value, space, condition, and low cost of living. Conveniently located to local shopping hotspots.